Hello everyone, my name is Prabhash. In this project, I have performed sentiment analysis on Zomato restaurant reviews using machine learning techniques. The goal of the project is to analyze customer reviews, understand customer sentiment, and extract insight that can help restaurants improve their services and customer satisfaction. So let's begin. Know your data. The datasets used in this project are Zomato restaurant names and metadata.csv, Zomato restaurant reviews.csv. I have imported necessary libraries. Understanding your variables. This section describes the variables present in the dataset such as restaurant name, review text, rating cost, reasons, and timing. Understanding these variables help identify which features are useful for analysis and machine learning model. Data wrangling. Before performing analysis, several data clearing steps were applied. Duplicate rows were removed to ensure data consistency. Missing values were handled by removing rows with missing review text and filled numerical columns such as rating and cost using the median values. Data visualization, storytelling, and experimenting with charts. In this section, exploratory data analysis was performed using different visualizations to understand patterns and relationship in the dataset. Chart 1, rating distribution. This chart shows the distribution of restaurants rating. From this visualization, we observe that most restaurants receive ratings in the higher range, which indicates generally positive customer feedback. Chart 2, top 10 most reviewed restaurants. This chart shows restaurants with the highest number of reviews. Restaurants with more reviews are usually more popular and attract more customers. Chart 3, cost distribution. This chart shows distribution of restaurant cost. Most restaurants fall within the moderate price range, indicating the affordable restaurants are common. Chart 4, rating versus cost relationship. This chart analyzes the relationship between restaurant cost and ratings. From this visualization, we can observe the higher cost does not necessarily guarantee higher ratings. Chart 5, most common cuisine. This chart shows the most common cuisine offered by restaurants. This helps understand customer preference and restaurant trends. Correlation heat map. This correlation heat map shows relationship between numerical variables such as cost, rating, and number of pictures. From the heat map, we observe that there is no strong correlation between cost and rating. Chart 15, pair plot. This pair plot visualizes the relationship between multiple numerical variables simultaneously. This helps identify pattern distribution and possible correlation within the dataset. Hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing was performed to statistically analyze relationship between variables. For example, we tested whether the restaurant cost has significant relationship with customer rating. Statistical tests such as person correlation and t-test were used to validate this hypothesis. Feature engineering and data preprocessing. Since the project involves textual data, several natural language preprocessing techniques were applied. This include converting text into lowercase, removing punctuations, removing stop words, tokenization, etc. These steps help clean the review text and improve model performance. After preprocessing, TF-IDF factorization was used to convert review text into numerical features. Machine learning model implementation. In this project, three machine learning models were implemented: logistic regression, random forest, support vector machine. These models were trained using TF-IDF feature generated from the review text. The models were evaluated using matrices such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Business impact. This model can help restaurant business automatically analyze customer reviews and classify them as positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. This allows businesses to quickly identify negative feedback and improve services quality based on customer opinion. Conclusion. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how machine learning and natural language processing can be used to analyze customer reviews and generate meaningful insights for businesses. Thank you.